Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows 10 operating system. 7-zip is a free and open source file archiver. That is, you can use 7-zip to compress your files or uncompress your files. For example, you have zip files, you can uncompress or unzip your files using 7-zip, or you can create a zip file or a tar file or many other compressions you can do using 7-zip. So let's see how we can install 7-zip. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for 7-zip, and the first link which will appear here will be from 7-zip.org. So I'm going to just click on this link, and straight away you will see the downloads section here. So depending upon which type of Windows operating system you have, you can download these exe files. So most probably you will be having the 64-bit operating system. So just download this file, which is 1 megabyte file. So I'm going to just click on this file, which will be downloaded really fast, and then we are going to start the installation process. So here you can see 7-zip setup. This will be the default location where 7-zip will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on install. And it's that easy to install 7-zip on your Windows 10 operating system. And after the installation, you will be able to see this message which says 7-zip installed. So you can close this window. Now let's see how we can use 7-zip to compress a file or create a zip file out of a folder. So I have this small folder here with the name data, and I have one image inside this folder, and I want to just compress this folder into a zip file. So I can just right click on this folder. You will be able to see this 7-zip option after the installation of 7-zip, and then you can just click on this button which says add to data.zip. So data is the name of my folder, and it's going to create a zip file out of my folder, right? There is also this option to create a 7z file, which is also a kind of a zip file, but we are going to create a .zip file. So just click on this button which says data.zip, and straight away you can see this file which is created, which is the .zip file. So let's see its extension. So I'm going to just click on view, and I'm going to just say file extension, and you can see data.zip file is created here. Okay, and now let's say I want to just delete this folder. So I'm going to just delete this folder, and I want to uncompress this .zip file. So I'm going to just right click once again and then go to the 7-zip option, and I'm going to just say extract here, which is going to extract this zip file into a folder in the current directory. If you want to extract this into some directory, then you have some other options here, right? So just click on extract here, and you can see here this data folder is extracted from the zip file. So we have successfully compressed the folder into a zip file and uncompressed this zip file into a folder bag, right? So this is how you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.